father and son. Coach Maravich watches his amazing 19-year-old boy Pete as the 6'5" sophomore shoots his way to the NCAA scoring title. Because of double teaming, Pete has developed a hesitation shot to confuse the defense. Twiggy, as his teammates call him, averaged more than 43 points a game, setting an all-time major college record with shots that even amazed his father. The younger Maravich also led his LSU team in rebounds and assists. But when you can shoot like this and put them in, why not fire away? It made Pete Maravich tops in scoring, and he still has 2 more years to play.